Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel All Things Yazz. If you're new, then welcome. My name is Yazz, but if this is your second, third or even fourth or fifth visit, then stop fighting it any longer. You know what you want to do. You want to hit that subscribe button, ring my bell and give this video a like if you like, and join the crazy designer addicted fam. If you have a hankering for all things designer and luxurious just like me, then this is the place to be. So let's jump straight into this unboxing. So this time last week I uploaded a Yazz unboxing and you guys really enjoyed it, so I'll leave that linked up above for those of you who haven't seen that already. So I thought, why not do another unboxing, and this week we have a Chanel one for you. Now obviously you've got to grab yourself a cup of tea, because where there's a bag, there's a story. So I think it was this time last year that I joined my mum and dad's trip to London, and I was slightly annoyed that they hadn't invited me. When I found out, I was like, oh, you're going to London, are you? Huh. So I've just booked my train ticket. Shall I join you? I didn't even ask them. I was just like, yeah, I'm coming. That's what you get for not inviting me. I'll just join their trip. No, it's just because it's London and it's my favourite place to go. They know what I'm like. I'm a bit of a nightmare. I can't help it. I just want to go all the time. I think we'll do about 2-3 trips a year. And I bought my Chanel on the Friday. Is it Old Bond Street? That's what I got it from, the big Chanel shop. You know, the one where there's Dior, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Fendi, Chloe, Jimmy Choo, Gucci, Alexander McQueen, Bottega Veneta. I could go on. And then Mum bought hers in Harrods, which again is another type of heaven, especially the shoe heaven. Oh, I could die in there. It's just amazing. But yeah, Mum bought hers in Harrods, and my mum's probably my biggest critique. She gives the best advice, and I thought it was like my turn. It's my turn to critique what she's picked, and I couldn't help but fall in love with this bag. She has the best taste. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So what do we all think about this bad boy? This gorgeous classic flap Chanel. It's stunning. Now I think it's the same size as my one, but obviously different colour combination. Hasn't she just done it again? She's got the colour combination bang on. This gorgeous grained leather, which I think Now let me know in the comments down below what colour you think it is. I'm thinking caramelly beige colour. I can't pinpoint it, can't remember off the top of my head what colour it actually is, paired with this gold toned hardware, and it's just breathtaking. This with a nice embroidered dress, like white embroidered dress, some mules in summer would just look amazing. Now she's gone for the grained leather. Obviously if you went for the smooth it looks slightly different, but I think this works so much better than the smooth would. It just looks beautiful, and obviously she's not going to get a lot of scratches on it, or you're not going to be able to see them as much because of the grain, whilst with mine I have to be that extra bit careful with it. But it's beautiful. So let's have a look inside. I think I did show this on the unboxing. We've got this big space in here, and then at the back you've got a lipstick holder. I can only assume 2 kind of like card holders, or like places to put like maybe tablets or your phone. In here I always put my card holder in the front bit, and then you have a zipped compartment at the top here, and then like another secret bit here, and then at the back we have another section which I put my phone because it just fits perfectly. I'll put that back on. Just fits perfectly down here. Now when Mum was buying this, she did ask for a different variation of this bag. She wondered if they had the silver hardware paired with this colour. Now what I tried to reason with her was, when you take a warm colour leather and pair it with a cool tone, it might not look as good as if you use both warm tones. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I personally think this looks best paired with gold hardware rather than silver, and I think she agreed with me. Although they didn't have it in store, the one paired with a silver hardware, I still think this looks absolutely adorable. It's just stunning. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this bag? Personally I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this boxing. Stay tuned for a Gymshark haul coming on Sunday, and thanks so much. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.